to give you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is dietitian Mona. Today we are going to talk about a seed जिसे आप हिंदी में अलसी भी कहते हैं and in English it is called as flax seeds. So flax seeds are very helpful for our health and how it is beneficial for our health and how to consume it and what are the benefits. So today we are going to discuss all of this. And these brown seeds, these are very tiny brown color seeds which is very high in fiber, and they have a plant based omega-3 fatty acids which is called as your alpha linolic acid और ALA also कहा जाता है. तो आज हम देखेंगे कि ये सीड आपको किस तरह से हेल्प करता है एंड ये आपको वेट रिडक्शन करने में भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है. सो ये भी हम जानेंगे कि हाउ टू कंज्यूम इट टू रिड्यूस योर फैट और आपको वज़न कैसे कम करना है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट दिस सीड ऑल्सो हैज़ मैनी बेनिफिट्स. सो अब इसको कैसे खाएं और कैसे यूज़ करें, सो ये सब के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ALA is an essential omega-3 fatty acid which is needed for normal human growth and development. It helps in preventing and treating diseases of the heart such as heart attacks. Then it lowers your high blood pressure and it lowers your cholesterol level also. If you have high triglycerides or prostate cancer, then avoid taking ALA. It contains protein, fiber, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, potassium. Flaxseed is one of the richest sources of lignans, a type of phytoestrogen. It is found in most unrefined grains such as barley, millet and oats, and some vegetables like broccoli, carrots, cauliflower and spinach. But the richest sources of lignans is flaxseed, and they have anti-cancer properties. The benefits of flax seeds. It is a great source of omega-3, mood enhancing, great source of fiber, antioxidant rich, healthy heart, lowest blood pressure, healthy joint, healthy hair, smoother skin, weight control, anti-aging, healthy hormonal balance, immune booster and richest source of lignans. How it helps in losing weight. Flax seeds are rich in proteins, so when you consume a teaspoon of flax seeds along with dietary fiber, the protein content suppresses your appetite. This prevents you from overeating and helps you in losing weight. How to eat. Eat flax seeds after it's been crushed or preferably ground because whole flax seed is likely to pass through your intestine undigested and the healthful fats and other nutrients won't be absorbed into your bloodstream. How to consume flax seeds for fat loss. I have taken a pan and in that just roast the flax seeds for few seconds. You can see I am just frying it. Once it is done, now it looks like the color looks little bit darker brown. I think now it's done. So you can keep it aside to cool down for some time, and then in a small jar you can grind it into a powder form. Now the powder is ready to eat. You can store it in an airtight container, and this you can keep it for 10 to 15 days. And for weight loss, take a glass of water and put 1 tablespoon of powder in that water and mix it well. Then you can drink this water early in the morning. Then after having this water, don't eat anything for at least 1 hour. This will help you to reduce your weight. So guys, ये था आज का वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा जरूर बताएं. Please like my video, subscribe and share it. And if you have any doubts, you can write down in the comment box and I am going to answer you. And you can follow me on my Instagram also. And take care of your health. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you for watching my video.